I'm just going to react Moosecraft Error. Now, apparently, this was made by Magda, who was something, I don't know. And I'm just going to react it. Moosecraft Error by CT83. So, this is a fan video, and this is about me getting a Moosecraft Error. This is worse than Barney Error. Oh, I hate that stupid dinosaur. Anyways, let's begin. Oh, there's my husband. Let's see what's gonna happen. What is he watching? Is he watching X-Men?
Hey, Creeper.
Oh, that's me. That's me.
Oh, hey, Enderman, what do you want? So I'm making you some Chips Ahoy, even though you
Chips
don't
Ahoy's my
like
favorite.
Oreos.
Yeah, Oreos
So,
suck.
I just only want you to take good care of my computer right here.
Okay.
And yeah, just have a good time.
Oh yeah.
Just have a good time.
Sorry. Anyways.
Okay.
Should we start now?
And if you take good care of my computer, then I'm gonna give you a special present.
Oh, thanks, Creeper. Special present.
Okay.
Better be a lot of Chips Ahoy cookies. I'm like a cookie monster.
Okay, I'll take care of your computer. That's more like it. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm gonna bring
thanks.
some Chips Ahoy. Bye. Alright, bye.
So I'm going to the computer and let's see what we're gonna find out. So I have to keep an eye on my husband's computer. So can we start now? This is gonna take long with the stop motion video. Okay.
Good eye on my computer.
Oh no! Blue screen of death. Barney Error 10.
You're kidding me.
Moosecraft Error.
You're kidding me.
Yeah. See that? I hate it.
Blue screen of death.
Yep, blue screen of death. Oh my god!
No. Okay, I'm gonna restart my computer.
Hopefully. Gonna restart the computer? Maybe not. So Moosecraft Error is
restart. What's this? This says.
Yep, Moosecraft Error. Yep. This is Barney Error 10. I guess. Probably.
Oh my god. You're kidding me.
Yeah. Good thing I have better than the computer. Keyboard, really?
We interrupt your Windows 10 session for a
Moosecraft Error. Let's do it. That's him.
Moosecraft Error. Moosecraft was blown up by Creeper. They were so happy and they hate him so much.
Oh.
This is an important message and don't say it's not.
What? You serious right now?
Do not turn off your computer. Repeat, this is an important message and do not say
blah,
it's
blah,
not.
Blah. I don't like this. It's worse than Barney Error.
Because if you do, then I will be extremely mad at you.
Well.
Let's repeat. Because if you do, then I'll be extremely mad at you.
Well.
Remember, don't break the rules.
Oh no.
And if you ever, and I mean ever, turn off your computer, then I will destroy your computer.
No.
So don't even think about it.
No. I just need to do something.
Oh, great. Another one of these Minecraft unspeakable Shark Boy, Preston.
What? Preston?
I'm just gonna turn it off.
Yeah, I'll turn it off. Well, yeah. This might be the great thing.
Yeah. Good riddance. Oh.
Yeah.
I can do these in the future of the year.
They're coming back?
Take that stupid Moosecraft Error.
Oh no! Oh my god, look at his face! Oh my god! Oh my god! What's up with his face? Oh my god, it's like evil Barney's red eyes. I mean, Moosecraft is having the red eyes. That's so scary. Let's see what he's saying.
That's it. I will call your husband right now.
Oh no! Oh my God! No!
Don't call my husband. I'm so sorry.
Oh no!
Please, give me an extra
Wait.
chance.
Yeah. Wait.
Bad.
This is even like one of the original ones.
I got a phone right here.
You serious right now? Oh God! Oh God! Look at this! Look at this! Oh no! This is gonna be really insane. My husband is gonna be mad and gives me Oreos. I'll tell you right now. So this is kind of awkward. I mean, every time I turn this computer on, like Bonnie ever shows up, then he's acting like a stupid dinosaur. Anyways, let's get back. Let's skip. Oh no! Here comes my husband. Oh no!
I'm trying to watch TV. What do you want? Hello, is this creeper? Yeah. So what? I need to. And who is this voice? It is Moosecraft from Go Animate. Enderman, no.
Wait a minute, Moosecraft from Go Animate? I thought it was supposed to be Moosecraft from Minecraft. Oh, it doesn't matter. Let's continue.
Listen to me because she turned off your computer.
Oh my God. Really?
Tell her what happened.
That was crazy.
I'm sorry, guys. Said him, but I said her. This is Moosecraft signing off.
Wow. Oh my God, I'm in trouble now.
Well, I'm not gonna put her in a closet. I'm not gonna beat her up. I'm just gonna tell her what happened.
Oh yeah. Good idea. Telling the truth should be a good idea. So what did Moosecraft want to say?
That's to teach you a lesson for turning the system off. You're bound for your computer for.
Look how many 7-4-something days. Oh my God. Oh my God. So many, just like 1 million, billion, trillion decades.
8 days.
Oh no. This is bad.
See your computer again.
Moosecraft, no. It's even worse than Bonnie Error. Well, wait. Let's see the enter code. The enter code is be banned from your computer. Be banned from your computer. Oh my God. That was be banned from your computer. I thought it was supposed to be numbers. Oh, whatever. Let's see.
No, it can't be.
Oh my God. This is real. This computer is real. It's real. I told you.
Is my computer done yet?
Oh no.
Oh my God. Alright, I'm gonna hide in here.
Okay. Come on, me. Go hide. My husband is coming.
What's going on with this record? What's this? Your computer is dead. Please buy a new one later. That's because you were not listening to Moosecraft Error code being banned from your computer. Okay. Enderman, get it come over here, please.
Be banned from your computer.
Enderman.
Oh, that sucks. That sucks really hard on the error code.
What's this? Enderman, calm down. What happened? Why is my computer dead?
That was funny episode. I would go. That 10 out of 10.
I'm on the Moosecraft Error. Oh my computer. It's okay. It's okay, Enderman. That happens sometimes.
Yeah, telling the truth should be better.
Beat Moosecraft. And next time, if we have a Moosecraft Error, we're gonna beat Moosecraft. I promise. Also, I made chips ahoy. So let's go and get some.
Oh, good ending. Okay. Oh, let me see. Okay.
Meanwhile, at Chips Ahoy.
What? Chips Ahoy restaurant? I love it. What?
Okay, what do you want
A talking
for
hand,
Chips Ahoy?
really?
We want chips.
That's what Bricky is going to have a job.
We want
Yeah.
some chips for Enderman.
Chips?
Okay.
Chocolate chips.
That'll cost you $10.
This is supposed to be chocolate chip or M&M cookies or something. I like it.
$10. Okay, I'll give it $10. Here you go.
Okay.
Okay,
It's real.
thank you very much. Thank you for the payback. Okay,
Payback.
I'm gonna. So your food will be ordered right away.
Payback. Okay.
Well, Enderman, I think it's really good that we can go to Chips Ahoy, because I did it for you, and I know you don't like Oreos,
Okay.
so we decided to go to Chips Ahoy anyway. So what's the problem with that? Yeah, you're the best husband ever.
Oh,
you're the
good
best.
ending.
Whatever.
Oh, how nice they are. Anyways, that's it for the video, and thanks to Magda, we were sometimes, I don't know, Moosecraft Error. More like Monstercraft Error. Only out of 10. Nothing reals. Well, I mean, this is actually good. I mean, I'll give this video 10 out of 10 because this is a good ending of me and my husband having chips or hot cookies while we're having the most greatest delicious milkshakes and stuff. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video on my reaction. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. I mean, sometimes Creeper283 channel, sorry, Anyways, this is Enderman signing out, and everything's gonna be good. And I love you guys, and I love and I like his channel too. So thanks.